Is your Roblox Arceus X 2.1.3 or later showing you are kicked from this experience and also give you the error code 267 on Android? Recently, some Arceus X Roblox users keep saying Arceus X 2.1.3 keeps showing you're kicked from this experience. Because of this problem, whenever they try to play a game from a specific server, they can't play it with their friends. So, first you need to open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Roblox, tap on it, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, now tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data, tap OK. Now you need to change the server of your Roblox game, so open the Google Play Store. Now tap Search. Now you need to download a VPN. Choose any VPN, please install it. Tap Open. Now you need to choose a server. You can choose any country you want. Go back here. Lastly, check for your app's updates. Often old versions can cause this problem, so after following all the work accordingly, you'll be able to overcome this problem on Roblox. Now, if you have anything to ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.